Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking scope and choosing tools so you can produce consistent output. First, define genre, audience, and target length. This shapes voice and structure. Then select an AI workflow, idea to outline, section drafts, and iterative editing. Pick one tool for each stage. Once done, create a cadence. Assign daily or weekly word goals like 502,000 words and set milestones. Make sure to prepare a simple file structure and naming convention, so drafts and prompts stay organized as you proceed. You now convert outline into readable chapters by working in sections. Start with a chapter skeleton, then prompt the AI for a first draft of one scene or subsection. Keep prompts focused and include tone, length, and key points. Once you have a draft, revise with targeted prompts, tighten prose, expand examples, or simplify language. Make sure to control randomness via settings and maintain versioning. Save V1, V2, and comment why you changed each. This approach avoids rewriting the entire book at once. You reach finalization by running several focused editing passes, macro edits for structure, then line edits for clarity, and a copy edit for grammar and consistency. Afterwards, format to your chosen distribution, apply ebook or print specs, and create metadata and cover copy. Once formatted, test a sample chapter with readers and adjust based on feedback. If something breaks, odd formatting, lost text, revert to the saved prior version and run the failed step again. Keeping backups prevents big setbacks and speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.